Welcome to Dobby Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have the Sealey Premier AK63255 combination spanner set. So it's a 16-piece set of combination spanners. So let me just grab one out and show you. I've grabbed the biggest one, so this is the 22mm. It goes from 6 to 22mm. So it's quite a comprehensive set. The spanners are made from chrome vanadium, as you can see on the back here, which is really quite nice. They've got this lovely satin finish to them, which is really comfortable to hold and does provide a bit of dexterity and grip, especially when you've got oily fingers. The main feature of these is they have a wall drive on this end. So let me just grab a different size spanner. Put that back in there. It also comes in this lovely foam here, which is 25mm deep. So you can fit it to most toolboxes really. I will be refoaming it eventually when I get round to fully organising my toolbox, but I haven't got around to it just yet. So this is a 70mm and this is a 70mm bolt. And as you can see, it fits on there fairly nicely. They should say they're 12-point as well. Pretty good for these spanners, and they are really good for getting hold of those rusty, some old fasteners that you can't really get a socket on. Yeah, they grip really well on the bolt head. They grip on the walls, so they don't round the corners off easily, which is quite nice. And you do plenty of contact, which is what you want when you're using a spanner. They said they're fairly nice, and they're backed obviously by Sealey's lifetime warranty, which is really good. I highly recommend the warranty. It's really good on everything out the warranty on this, which isn't too much. But when you need it, it's a very useful thing to have. Just drop them an email and they respond really quickly and can help you get things sorted, which I really do appreciate. Yeah, so like I said, this is 70mm. We do have some other sizes. It includes a 10mm, which is this one just here. No, it's 11. But this is the 10mm. There we are. So yeah, got a 10mm. I haven't got lost yet. I've had this for nearly 5 months, 6 months this set. I've used them pretty much in every job, much like my other Sealey tools. They really do hold up quite well. Yeah, I've done a good old test. Got a little 6mm, which is the smallest one of the set. The foam does help keep everything together and you can see when there's a gap, there's something missing, so it does come in quite handy. And here's some footage of the 21mm spanner in action. I'm just doing up this bottom ball joint nut. As you can see, thanks to the 12-point wall drive, it's just slipping on there nicely. I'm not struggling to get the spanner back on, which is always quite handy. I can pretty much drop it on at any position I want. And yeah, it does a fairly good job, as do all the rest of the spanners in the set. And even when you have to wrench on it, it doesn't flex or bend, which is always really nice. And these spanners just do a really good job, and they're really nice to use. So now you've seen these in action briefly, and you see what they can do. There's only a short clip, I know. But yeah, this is a really handy set of spanners to have. I really enjoy using them. I like the little offset on the end of this one. It really does help. Stop you from scraping your knuckles and stuff, which is always very important. And yeah, they're a really nice set of spanners. Fairly comfortable. Probably the best set of spanners I've ever used, and that's where they're going to get a 4 spanner rating. And yeah, they really are that good. I really have enjoyed using them, and I definitely highly recommend if you're looking for a set of spanners from 6 to 22, pick up this set here and you won't go wrong. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.